Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jason from jasonvazella.com, and I'm going to jump right into today's content because what I want to share with you is a really effective tool to be able to enhance your Facebook fan page presence. Any Facebook fan page is pretty similar in the fact that when you come to the fan page, you're going to see the profile picture of the business to the left there, as well as 5 featured photos along the top. Here, when you download the file and you have the page up that I'm showing you right now, you're going to want to make sure at the very bottom right you click on Image Goes Here, and that's going to select you to the layer that you want to customize, which is going to be the checkerboard area, which is already sized and formatted to fit Facebook's layout. Now, one thing I always do is I always fill that background with white, just because Facebook's background is already white, so by me putting white in there, it just makes it seem, or it makes it appear that my images are laying right on top of the Facebook page. Another thing that I do is I always try to make sure that the images are tied in together, and you can do that using the pencil or the brush tool. We'll use a brush here and make it a little bit bigger. Let's pick a color. Say let's go bright yellow, because we're going to make a fan page for a car salesman, so double yellow line kind of fits that theme. You're going to want to create first your profile picture, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this just because it's for example reasons, but you can see that if I wanted to, say we're going to create a car salesman page. You're a very successful car salesman, and you want to, even enhance your clientele by building a fan page. Maybe you put a picture of yourself on there. Let's put a couple. Maybe we'll put, your car dealership's logo on there. Bear with me, everybody, because I'm just going to do this really quick. So, of course, the more time you spend on it and the more detailed you are, the better it's going to come out. But I just want to do it really quick so you can see how easy it really is to make a professional-looking fan page. Maybe we'll put one more thing, maybe an offer or a slogan, that fits in with your company. So. Now we have a profile picture made, so we've used that space. Now we're going to also want to fill in these 5 pictures along the top, because like I said, these are the featured photos. These are what people are going to click on first. They're going to see first. It's going to really share the information that you want to share with them. So maybe if you're a car salesman, we'll say that you want to put some different types of cars or this month's specials on there. So maybe you want to put a couple different vehicles on here, just to stay consistent with the page. Put that one there. Maybe you also have a line of pickup trucks, so you'll want to put one of them on there. And of course, everybody, this is going to be really decided by you, and it's going to change from business to business, whatever it is that you're promoting. If you want, you can actually you can put some text above here in the yellow lines, saying which each category is. I'm going to put an SUV up there. So there you go. You can see that they all line up. Now, please notice that they are all individual pictures, and the reason that I say that is because the way that the fan pages are set up, and we'll come back here to bestprescriptionprice.com, is you can see the order of the pictures here is a printer, a mailbox, and a card. Now, if I refresh this page, you can see that the order changes. So they're not going to stay consistent, so you don't want to put a banner here or a bigger picture that all ties in together that has to remain in the same order, because the first time you refresh the page, you're going to see that all of those pictures are out of whack. So you still want to make sure that they're individual photos, the way that we have here on our news site. And what a lot of people do is, on those images, then they'll put a link. And I'll go back to bestprescriptionprice.com. You'll see you can put a link at the bottom of the page. So, if the mailbox here is for emailing, for a contact us button, you could put an email address here, or maybe the contact us form. If the event calendar here, we could put a link directly to the event calendar. So it's really a good way to, like I said, drive traffic to where you want people to to go after they visit your fan page, because it's not all about just somebody clicking a like button and then never coming back. The purpose of a fan page is to inform them of what you have to offer, and then get them to look more into it. So these 5 pictures can be really key in doing that. So back to our page. Okay, now we've put some pictures in here. They're all tied up. Like I said, if you want to put some information, you can put some text above it. You can put sports cars, pickup trucks. We're going to say that we have our page done, and of course if you were going to put text above pictures, you would do it on all 5 pictures. But okay, now we're done. We've put our images in and it's all set up, and we want to get it uploaded onto our Facebook account. What you're going to do is you're going to come to File, and then you're going to go down to Save for Web and Devices. Okay, and you're going to click on that. Now what that's going to do is it's going to pull up a page that you can see that all of the images are now cut out, and it's going to make it all separate images, and it's going to create a album for you to upload into your Facebook fan page profile. It has these images cut out. You don't really have to do anything here. You do want to make sure that it's selected as a JPEG file here. So I have it set for the default of JPEG. If it's not on JPEG, make sure that you go down and select JPEG. And when you do, you'll save it, and then you can select where you want to save it to. So and what that's going to do is it's going to put a file titled Images on my desktop. So that's saved there. Now what you would do is then go to your Facebook fan page, and when you're on the page, if you select the photo button here, create an album, because it's multiple pictures, and now I can select the 5 that I want to upload. And now they're on my profile, so now I'm going to come back to my main page, and you can see that it's put those 5 photos along the top. Now it hasn't changed the profile picture yet. What you can do is you can put your cursor over top of the profile picture, and it says here at the top to change pictures. So if I select that, I'm going to choose the file. I'll select that as my profile picture, and now it's up. Now before you save that, you want to go down to Edit Thumbnail, and this is going to decide on what part of the picture shows up on your post. So if you want the logo in there, if you want the guy, if you want the slogan, whatever it is. So we'll just leave it as the top of the guy here, and then we'll save that. And now if I go back to View Page, you can see that everything lines up. My profile now, although it doesn't fit the theme of bestprescriptionprice.com, you can see that if somebody clicks on pickup trucks, here's where you would want to put your link, and you can edit that by doing here, and you can type in whatever you want, whatever link or whatever statement you want about pickup trucks. I hope that helps with that. Let me show you how to access this Photoshop tool. If you're already using Photoshop, like I said, this is going to be really easy for you. If you're not, then just give us, send us an email, comment on this video, come to our website and hit the Contact Us page, and we'll certainly help you. If you don't have the software available to do this, we can still make sure that you get a really good page. To access this file that I went over, you can either go to jasonvizela.com, and if you click on Video Resources, it'll come to the page where we have all of our videos that we're uploading every day. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page here, you'll see a video that says Facebook branding. This video will be there, as well as a download tool link above the video player. If you click that, then you'll be able to download the file that we explained on this video. You can also come to Diverse Development Group's website, which is at teamddg.com, and if you click on the Training Center and then select the Resources tab, you'll also be able to find the Facebook fan page branding tool there as well. So either way, make sure you find it on one of those sites and utilize it, because the fan page feature on Facebook is huge. Thanks for plugging into the video, and I hope you enjoy the tool. And let me know what you think of it. Leave your comments below the video. Appreciate it. Take care.